What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, it's Reallyshar, and I am back with another video. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and become a Shar baby. If you already subscribed, welcome back. So today, I know y'all can tell from the title what this video is going to be about. Basically, we're going to be unboxing a iPhone, a pink iPad. It's the 10th generation, y'all. So yeah, I'm real excited about this because y'all, I've been wanting an iPad. I really want me a desktop too, but I feel like an iPad is more convenient because you can travel with it, you know. So yeah, let's get straight into it, y'all. This is how it looks. As you can tell, that's the color. That's the pink. This is the color it is. It's a pink iPad, and it comes with 256 gigabytes. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we're gonna read first what it includes. Okay, it's an iPad. It comes with a USB-C charge cable and a USB-C power adapter. It supports UMTS, LTE, and 5G subs. Cellular technology. Some capabilities are not available in areas and depend on your wireless plan and service provider network. For LTE and 5G, see apple.com. So yeah, let's just get into it, y'all. But this is how it comes. This is the box. Let's take a thumbnail. Okay, we got the thumbnail. All right, so this is the box, and we're about to get ready and open it. It comes with these little laptops. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm super happy. I've been waiting all day to open it. It came earlier this morning. It's currently like 1 a.m. something like that, almost 1 a.m. It should be like 1 a.m. And I decided to do this. But yeah, let's see what's to do it. If I can get it open, y'all, these nails. Okay, I ain't gonna do all that, but these nails, y'all, don't allow me to do nothing. Okay, let's see. Come on out. Come on. It's the nails, y'all. It's the nails. Okay, because this is supposed to slide out. Wait a minute. I don't want to break the box. Okay, there it is. Is it me or the nail? You know what? You know what? This is not what's supposed to be going on. We're supposed to be doing a professional video. But this video is not sponsored. They need to sponsor me, okay? All these hauls and stuff I be doing, that somebody needs to go and get a sponsor you, girl. So yeah. Alright. Ooh, let's see. This is it. Do I grab it like this? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. This is the actual iPad. So let's see what comes in the box. This is the box. Let's see. What's this? It's like the pamphlet. The little, what do you call it? The, table of contents. Let's see what that is. Okay, that's that. I think it might be some stickers. Yeah. What is this? Oh, basically like a little pamphlet. Welcome to iPhone, iPad, or whatever it is. I don't know why you said iPhone, iPad, y'all. I get iPhones, iPads, AirPods, all that confused. I was all in the store asking the man about these. I was in Walmart today. They had some protectors, some screen protectors on sale for iPads, but it was for the 2019 iPads, and this is the 2022. This is the newest one, okay? But he was saying it might not be compatible with them, so I have to look it up and see. But if they probably haven't came out with the screen protectors for these just yet. So yeah. But this is the little paper. You got the tips and everything you need up on here. Tell you about welcome to iPad. tap to wave, USB connector, control center, dock and app switcher, smart connector, okay, all that good stuff. But as you can see, it do come with the, yeah. So what y'all call this? Because some people call it box pieces, wall units. I just say I need the adapter or wall piece. That's what I call it. I do. I need the wall piece. That's basically what it is. The wall piece. It goes in the wall. It goes in the connector. It goes somewhere where you can plug it up at. So this is what I call these. And it's the C charge. As y'all can see, the C charge. And it comes with the charger as well. Both of them C. I thought it, so I couldn't use, you know what? I thought I was going to be able to, I thought I was going to be able to use my cord for my iPhone just because I use my iPhone charger. I could use this, but I can't. But if you got a GoPro, you can use it for your GoPro. Smart. But this is the C charger and it comes with these stickers. The Apple stickers in case you want to put it on there. Super dope, super cute. You know, Apple stickers, they always come with almost everything when you buy Apple. Even when you buy your little phones and stuff, they come with the stickers and stuff. So, yeah. Okay, now let's get to this iPad. Okay, what's this? Oh, this the little, you know, the little key thing just in case you want to, when you want to reset it or something like that. That's that little piece right there. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, well. Oh my God, it is so pretty. Now I can sit in the tub or do my business or whatever I need to do on my iPad. Look at it. Why am I opening upside down? Hold on. Needs to be different. Look at it. It is pink, y'all. My favorite color. Favorite color. I have a pink iPhone. Matter of fact, this color, literally a pink iPhone, but it's like a 6 or 7, I believe. One of the two. But I'm definitely gonna have to get a screen protector for this because we're gonna be touching it and get some accessories and stuff. I might order it off Amazon. I don't know about ordering off Apple, but let's turn it on and see. Where's the power button? Oh, there it is. Let's turn it on and see. Okay. Y'all looking at my setup. I'm sorry. Is it charged? Girl? It's coming on. Let's see. Let's see. Y'all. I'm sorry. Y'all gotta never mind the lights and everything that's coming inside of this, but this is how it looks when it's turning on. I feel bougie now because I got an iPad with an iPhone. You know, everything the latest. Play all day. Yeah, but this is it. The Hello Moto. No, that's USA. What they say that? What Apple say? Who say Hello Moto? Anyways, this is Apple products. We are talking about Apple right now. So yeah. Did it die? I don't know. It said hello again. How many times gonna tell me hello? Hello. Hi. Hola. Hello. So what I supposed to do now? Switch it up. Okay, let me switch it up. Okay, y'all. So this is basically how it is. This is just a quick review. I'm gonna have to do some setting up. I'm gonna have to set this up and put it how I want it. No, United States. From the United States. Quick start. Set up manually. Okay, this is how you put your Wi-Fi in and all that good stuff. So y'all, yeah, I just wanted to do a real quick unboxing showing how it look. It got the, you know, the C charger at the bottom, the speakers, the power button is located at the top, not on the sides. I was thinking it was gonna be on the sides, but it's located at the top. You have one camera, that's the camera back there. Let me see. I'm gonna try to connect to my Wi-Fi real quick and we're gonna see. I just want to see how it look once it's connected. I forgot my Wi-Fi password, y'all, because I haven't had to use it in so long. Like actually type it in. Let me see. Is it all caps? I believe it's all caps. Okay. So it's connected. Okay, let's get there. Let's get there. Let's get there. Okay, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, I'll wait. I will wait. Because I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I need some Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid. Why is it taking that long? Okay. Okay, setting up cellular. Activating Sims. Y'all can see it's activating. iPad to AT&T cellular network. This may take a few minutes. So we're going to wait till it activate. And, oh my God, it's at 95%. Y'all, it's charged 95%, if you can see. So they already if y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But it's already charged for 95%. So that means they charge these before they send them out. And yeah, we're going to have to set the date and time because this is not 11/19 and it's past January the 3rd. Today is the 4th. And it's currently... Okay, it said the cellular setup is complete. Continue. We're going to do the touch ID. Use your fingerprint in place of passcode. Set up ID later. We're not going to do that right now. Because, yeah. Girl, I said we're going to do it later. Don't start. Not start. Okay. Use anyway. Okay. Okay, come on. Because I need you to help me out. Restore from iCloud backup. We're not doing that right now. Restore from PC or Mac. Transfer directly from iPad. Move data from AirDrop. We ain't doing no transfer right now. Apple ID. Should I make a new Apple ID? Is that what we gotta do? Make a new Apple ID? I don't know. Is that what I gotta do? Not for yeah. Or shake. No. Not for yeah. Which one is it? Yeah. So how do I set up a new ID? It say forgot. Yeah. But anyways, look, this is gonna be time consuming on here. So I'm gonna have to take my time and do this. But I really wanted to show y'all once I got everything set up how it's gonna look. But maybe we'll have to do a part 2 to this video to see like how it actually works and how I'm liking it and stuff like that. But this is it. This is it. Y'all, and I'm gonna finish doing the rest of this off camera. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be a process because I don't know if I need to transfer all my stuff over from my Apple ID or if I need to make a new one or whatever the case may be. So yeah, I'm gonna go on Amazon, like I said, and order a keypad. I think the keypad already in the pen on Amazon already. I already got it in my cart. I just need to order it and then put it on a little stand so I can be able to use this. It'll be good for like editing, editing my videos, uploading, other business related things that I be doing. So yeah, I feel like this came in handy and I feel like this is a good investment. It's a very good investment. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see any other kind of videos with me unboxing, any type of hauls or anything, make sure you check my channel out. Make sure you literally give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment. Okay. And yeah, subscribe to the channel as well. I know I've said it already, but I'm keep saying it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Make sure you leave 30 comments if you can. Not only 30, just leave 1 or 2. That's it. That's all you got to do. Just make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But anyways, Happy New Year's. I appreciate all you guys from tuning in and subscribing to the channel. I appreciate all the returning people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Always remember, stay blessed, be humble, and be yourself. Thank you so much. Peace.